Guys, this line art portrait, custom portrait, makes approximately $13,000 per month. And let me tell you something, it's not that hard to do. And there's many sellers making some really good money from this. And I'm going to show you today exactly how to produce some custom personalized line art, which are really popular on the Etsy platform really quickly using two software platforms that I use. So check this out. So guys, if you didn't know, these faceless portraits do really well on Etsy. And the reason why they do well is because people, like to treasure their personalized photos. So imagine someone is going to give you a photo, and it could be from the family, a family photo, couple photo, a photo of their pet. And what they want to do is they want to produce some kind of portrait or some kind of sort of design, whether it be line art, which I'm going to be looking at today, and there may be a painted version. There's many different types that people obviously want. Today we're specifically going to be focused on the kind of line art type, which people really love. And how it simply works is that somebody would sell a customer would send their photo of the family, like I said, or the couple, or the pet, or whatever it is that they want. They'll send it to the Etsy seller, and they would want a line art version of the photo produced. Now, on top of that, they would want it to be faceless. And this is the part that is really popular. It's the faceless part. Okay. And you can see this in many listings on the Etsy platform. Typically people might have it ready in a day. Some people who are really quick would have the image ready in 6 hours and send it to the customer. And the good thing about the tools that I'm going to show you is that they can be done really quickly. So you can actually get it out dispatched, or should I say digital file ready to the customer really quick. But you can see this one is another faceless version. But yeah, there's lots of these, and there's not only this kind of, if you like, the sort of photo wall art type of custom portraits, but these line arts or custom line arts are actually very popular in many different products, like for mugs, for tumblers, so t-shirts, jumpers, sweatshirts. So, print on demand is also a really big thing. Although you can just simply create, just like this one, a faceless portrait, which is sent straight as a digital file to the customer. And these are like I said, these do well. So what we're going to be looking at today is we're going to be looking at these faceless line art designs, which we're going to be creating, which I'm going to show you how to create. And simply, it's when a customer sends a photo to the buyer, when a customer sends a photo to the seller, what they do is they expect a line art design to be created from the photo, and a faceless one at that, because those are the popular ones. So you can see this one's a faceless one, which is a bestseller, although this is a sort of this is painted in, if you like, or colored in. This one's a faceless one. This one is also a faceless one, which is ready in 10 hours. So there's many different types. So they are quite popular, and you can see there are a lot of these, and they can be not just for sort of couples and families, but also for pets. So it can be for many things. You can see this one is a couple one again. And like I said, people sometimes have them ready in 24 hours. A lot of the ones that are doing well usually have the file ready and sent to the customer within, say, 6 hours. Like this one, you can see this faceless couple one. And like I said, they can be so popular because people, when they use it, they can actually have it sort of printed on mugs, tumblers, t-shirts, sweatshirts, blankets. They're so versatile, and they can be used for many things, and you're sending the customer a digital file so they can use it for anything. But like I said, this is a line art custom portrait style, which we're going to be doing today. And I want to show you two tools which you need to get to be able to do this really quickly, really cost effective and really quick. So yeah, Yeah, like I said, look at this and you can find it. It's called custom line art, and you'll see lots of these. Like I said, people sell mugs with these, people sell sweatshirts with these already. So you can actually not only, sell it as a digital file, but it can also be something like, print on demand as well. And look, here's another one there. This is another bestseller, right? So, anyways, let's get going and let's create it. Okay, so the first tool that I'm going to show you how to use to actually create this is called Coloring Book AI, which is a fantastic tool. It can be used for so many different things, whether it be for something like this kind of custom, personalized gift, photo to line art style, or you can produce coloring pages as well. Again, coloring pages are popular on Etsy and can be sold, which are fantastic. So you will see at the top coloring pages, or like what we're going to show you today, photo to coloring page or photo to line art, I'll call it. You can also do something where you produce prompts. So you can actually write a sentence or write words to create coloring pages. So there's actually a lot of functions that you can do with this really cool platform. So do check out the link below. You'll be able to try out for free with some credits and see if you like it. But for today, we're going to be doing the sort of photo to coloring page, right? Where we're going to produce, so get a photo, and then we're going to create the sort of line art style. So step one is we just go to upload the image. So I'm going to just click on image and get an image which I have. So once I click that, I'll click the picture of the couple, click open, and then it's going to give me the photo, right? And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to generate the page, click that. You can see what I've done something before. The dog, look how cute that is. But yeah, so with the photo, it does have a few other functions, which I'm just going to show you really quickly. You can upscale it, which is really cool, because upscaling basically makes sure that the quality is really, really good. That resolution is a high res image, which you'd probably need. Remove the background as well. I think I'm going to remove the background for this one. I just want the couple image of the couple, and then I'm going to click generate now. Just going to use 2 credits. So click generate now, and what you're going to see now on the side is that it's going to generate 2 different images for me, slightly different, and then I can choose which one I want. So that's step 1. Okay, so you can see now here that it's produced the images, which are really, really cool. Look how nice they are. Look how great that looks. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to download the one that is probably less detailed, right? Less detailed, which is that one, because I want it to be more the line art style. I'm going to download it as a PNG so that I can work on it in my other tool, my next tool, which is called KITTL. Again, you'll see the links below. For KITTL, you can see that there is also an offer that I have with my link. So I'm going to click download PNG. I'm going to download it on my computer, and then I'm going to upload it onto KITTL. So we've done the first part using Coloring Book AI, and now we're going to jump on to the next part using KITTL. Okay, I'm on to KITTL AI now, and everybody knows I've got a whole playlist of videos using KITTL, which is absolutely fantastic, especially when you want to create digital products. It's really one of my go-to platforms. So what I'm going to do is, you can sort of check it out yourself, but it has lots and lots of fantastic sort of designs, trending designs that you can use as well for whatever you want to sell. It's really cool. But in this case, obviously, I want to bring in my line art so that I can sort of edit it, remove the faces, and also make sure that the size is right, which is really important, because when you're selling this, obviously you want to offer some sizes for the customer as well. And what's really good about KITTL is that it does allow you to create really good, easy sort of sizing, if you like. You can do the sizing really quickly. So let me just go to new project, click the top here. Okay, now what we're going to do is, now that we created new project, is we go into choosing the size of the artboard or the paper that they want it to be. So you have to make sure that you give the customer options of the sizes for the image, for the digital file that they get for that faceless line art. But just for the purposes of this video, you can do this here. So you go to standard, you can actually change the sizing here quite easily, really quickly. Okay, so whether the image be a portrait or landscape, whatever it is they give you, you can adjust and do the sizing here. Generally, there are some popular sizes, which if you check out on Etsy, the good sellers, you'll see that they do give some options of sizes there. But for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to keep it really simple. I'm just going to go to, just going to keep it 5x5. Generally, it'll be more portrait or landscape. I'm actually going to do like a landscape sort of style. I'm going to go to 7x5 actually. That's what I'm going to do. The resolution is here, so make sure that you've got high res, keep it at 300, which is your standard, good quality. So you can see the orientation is going to be landscape. Most of them will be portrait, but because of my photo, the photo that I've got that's been given to me, it's going to be a landscape style. So I'm going to click create, and you can see this is my landscape artboard. Like I said, generally they're more portrait. But what you do then is you go to the tools on the side in KITTL. Remember, check out the link below. You can actually try it out for free with my link there. Go to uploads, make sure that you got your uploaded image. You can see I got my uploads here, but simply if you want to get your upload or get your coloring book AI line art design that you've created, then you just go to upload here. I've got mine already, so let me click on it here. There you go. Here's my coloring book AI design. So I'm just going to stretch it out because obviously I want it to be a good proportion to the artboard that I've got, which looks quite good. Have it like this. Okay, so the proportions look quite good. Yeah, so all I need to do now really is a few things. Let me just zoom in very quickly by clicking the plus. I want to get rid of the sort of the faces, and I want to also make it sort of more a darker line art. It's a little bit sketchy still, so I want to do a few things with it. But it's really quick. So once I click on the image, right, you just click on the image on the artboard, click that, you got a few tools that come up. I'm just going to click on the eraser tool, which is there. Just click that. And then on the side, you got a few things you can do. You can get the size of the eraser, which you can see that circle there. And you can also erase and fill, which will fill in the color of the background. So if I just click that, if I zoom in, and then simply all I need to do is start just sort of erasing the sort of facial parts. You can see, can you see that it's just removed? And I'm going to just do the rest really. You can adjust the size of the eraser. Remember, be real careful. It's very easy to make mistakes, but what's good about KITTL, you can always step back. So you can go to the last step that you've been working on, just in case you make a mistake. And then sometimes you might just need to just go over it again, making sure that you got all the bits removed. So obviously, as you remove sort of the faces, which you can do quite easily, we're using the eraser tool. Just zoom out and have a look at it. Go to done. There's a few things you can do which will, help improve it as well. Obviously, just double check, make sure. Sometimes it's hard. Sometimes you can miss things. But I'll tell you one thing to do. There's a few things that you can do here, which is upscaling the image and making sure it's really crisp. But what I like to do is I like to click Image Vectorizer, which is a true vectorization, and it gives it that dark, thick line art style. So if I click Vectorize now, you'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, so you can see that looks way better. Look at that. See that? See how it looks now? It looks really cool. Look at that. That looks really good now. Good bit of line work. And yeah, then it's done. Pretty much done, right? And all you need to do is download it. Just double check it. Like I said, just make sure that you're very careful, especially with the eraser tool, right? When you do click on the image itself, make sure that you've got the right brush size and so on. And what's good about KITTL is you can always step back a few steps, which is down here, in case you make a mistake, which is really good. So you don't have to start all over again. But that's it, guys. You just go to download, which is in the top corner, click that. I like to download as a PNG and also as a JPEG, as a PDF, give them two options. You got the sizing there that obviously that's requested. You can optimize the quality further, then click download. And that's it. That's all you need to do. It's all good to go. Click optimize that quality and click download, and it's done, guys. Simple as that. Okay, there you go. So don't forget, check out the two tools, the links in my description to the two tools to actually create this fantastic custom line art portrait, faceless line art portrait. Hope you liked the video. If you did like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.